This video features our CX-EPD1289L 3/4-inch surface mount, Grade 1 3-hour fire-rated rim strike. The patented design provides up to 15 pounds of preload. This instruction can also be applied to our new CX-EPD1289L half-inch surface mount rim strike with 15 pounds of preload. Preload is when pressure on a door latch applies pressure against the strike keeper and prevents the strike from opening. This is common when a strike is installed on stairway exit doors. This video assumes you have selected the right strike for the door, frame, and lock set. If you want more information regarding strike selection, please download our selection guide from our website or go online to use our remarkable strike selection wizard. Even the best strike will not work if the door and frame are not aligned or the door sags on loose hinges. You will want to inspect each of these closely before attempting to install a strike. More importantly, check the operation of the rim exit device with particular attention to the operation of the deadlocking pin of the latch. The rim strike will be installed so that the deadlocking pin does not enter the cavity of the strike. The 1289L is a preload 3/4-inch universal rim strike with field-selectable 12 or 24 volt power fail-safe, fail-secure operation and horizontal adjustment. Inside the package, you'll find the rim strike body with a cover plate, the manual, a metal marking template, and a parts kit, including the fasteners and electronic connectors. Before installing the strike, be sure to read the manual carefully. We've brought a lot of tools with us today, but we will only need a few of them: Phillips screwdriver, drill bits and power drill, painter's tape, thread taps, and of course, safety goggles. A professional installation always includes protecting the floor from dropped metal shavings and filings. If replacing a cylindrical or mortise lock set with a rim exit device, as in our installation, you will also want to cover the existing opening in the frame with an attractive steel cover plate. Place painter's tape over the area where the strike will be mounted. This will provide an easy surface to mark and protect the frame from damage. Position the metal template so that the latch of the exit device is centered in the opening of the template. The latch dead pin must be positioned outside of the template's opening. Mark the top and bottom mounting holes with a pencil. Later, after we test mount the strike in position, we will drill 2 additional mounting holes. Open the door and mark the large hole needed for the wiring. Drill 13/64" or number 7 pilot holes for the top and bottom mounting bolts. Tap the top and bottom holes for 1/4" -20 hex bolts. Drill the large 5/8" hole in the center for the wiring. The strike has 4 adjustments. We'll start by adjusting the fail-safe or fail-secure operation. Fail-safe means the strike will unlock upon losing power, and a fail-secure setting will lock the strike upon losing power. This strike is set as fail-secure. Changing it to fail-safe will require disassembling the strike. Remove the cover of the strike. Remove the 2 metal plates that cover the internal strike mechanism. Rotate the 2 metal cams 180 degrees. Reassemble the 2 internal metal plates. Do not reassemble the strike cover. This will be done after the strike has been mounted. Please read the manual carefully and follow the instructions. Also, please note that the UL fire rating is void if a fail-safe operation is selected. This rim strike has a removable latch monitor switch. This is removed during the strike installation to allow access to mounting holes. It is easily reinstalled before the cover is attached or not used if the latch monitoring feature is not required. Lastly, horizontal adjustment. This adjustment allows you to move the keeper closer or further away from the face of the latch or to angle the strike if the door is not hung plumb. You can easily adjust the placement of the strike on the frame by using the top and bottom mounting bolts once you have tested the mounting strike with the latch of the exit device. 12 or 24 volt power is selected using the correct black connector cable included in the package. This strike draws 560 milliamps at 12 volts DC, and we recommend that it be wired on its own power circuit and that an MOV varistor be used to prevent voltage spikes. This application is already pre-wired with a 12-volt connector, so we can plug in our strike power connector when ready to test mount the strike. Use the Allen key to mount the rim strike on the door frame using the top and bottom bolts. Snug the bolts, but do not over-tighten. We need to position the strike in its final location by moving it in relation to the latch of the exit device. Test the operation by ensuring the correct placement of the exit device latch into the strike cavity. The latch must fully enter the cavity without putting pressure on the strike keepers, and the dead pin of the latch must not enter the cavity. If the latch of the device does not fully enter the strike cavity, with a 1/8 inch gap between the strike and the body of the exit device, use spacer plates to protrude the strike from the frame. Now that you have confirmed that the strike is correctly positioned, you can securely tighten the top and bottom bolts. We will drill and tap 2 additional mounting bolts now that the strike is in its final position to ensure that it won't move in the future. These are the same 1/4 inch -20 hex bolts that require a 13/64 or number 7 pilot hole. Lastly, we can install the latch monitor switch if required. Place the cover of the strike using a small Phillips screwdriver to tighten 4 screws. We'll do a final test to ensure everything works smoothly, and we're done. To learn more about Camden locking products, please visit our website. We have a wide range of guides, videos, and online selection wizards.